But just behind us here, there's actually a block of old people's flats, 3 stories high, and obviously quite tall townhouses. You could get quite a good view through. So
Really?
The first thing that went in was the trees.
Mike opted for tall palms to help shield his garden from prying eyes.
The cord lines kind of give the first line of defence, really, with the blocks out the roofs and softens the windows.
The danger with planting tall trees is that the garden could feel dark and claustrophobic. But Mike's choice of cordylines with bare and slender trunks means that the crowns block the view without the bottom of the tree dominating the garden.
I love it. It doesn't feel as if it's coming in and oppressive because you've got the white walls in between. It looks very light and airy.
Mike's white walls, broken up by layers of structural planting, help to avoid the enclosed feeling that a solid wall of foliage would create.